and welcome to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. On today's episode, I'm going to share with you how to make my chunky salsa. So let me take you through the list of ingredients. So you're going to need 2 tomatoes diced. I'm using half a jalapeno, but if you like a little bit more kick in your salsa, I would suggest you use a whole jalapeno. You're going to need 2 like raw things of the green onions. I don't know what they're called, but the 2 pieces. You're going to dice them. I use half of a red onion, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and then 1/4 cup of cilantro. And then of course you're going to need your lime. So we're going to use half a lime, the juice of half a lime, and then salt and pepper to your taste, whatever you like. So this recipe, it really can't be easier. You're just going to dump everything into your bowl like so. Ooh, I'm throwing food everywhere, guys. Okay, the parsley. So typically you wouldn't put parsley in your salsa. However, I feel like the combination between the parsley and the cilantro just really makes this recipe the bomb.com. So we're gonna give this a rough toss. Okay, just a little bit. It smells so good already. Okay, and then I'm gonna do some pepper. I do quite a bit because I only put half a jalapeno, so I put a little bit more pepper. And I'm gonna have the measurements for the salt and pepper for you online too at www.thelazygirlskitchen.com. And then salt, because tomatoes do love salt. You don't want to undersalt, but you don't want to oversalt. And then the juice of 1 lime. Ooh, this guy's not very juicy. This really is pretty hard. Okay. I think too, when I serve it, I'm gonna try to serve it with like lime wedges on the side. So if somebody wants to add some extra lime, they can. Okay, I'm gonna give this a nice stir. Look at all the beautiful colors in here. Ugh. So nice. Okay. So typically you want to put this in the fridge for at least an hour or 2 before you dig in, because you want it to be chilled. But I just can't help myself, so I'm actually going to try some right now. All right. Really good. I think I should have used a little bit less of the jalapeno because it does have quite a kick, but it's delicious. It's so fresh, just vibrant in your mouth. So make sure you go to www.thelazygirlskitchen.com to get this written recipe and others, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.